Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and I know I look a little crazy right now, but that will improve. And this video, it will be about what I purchased from the Colourpop Birthday Bash collection for their 5th year birthday. And I have been supporting Colourpop ever since the very beginning. And for their 5th birthday, they came out with birthday treat, and the theme was watermelon, and it came in this cute watermelon packaging, and it has a number 5 on it. And this one is but this is what that one looks like. So pretty. Colourpop also came out with an entire huge collection that had an eyeshadow, it had lip glosses, lipsticks, glitters, loose glitters, glitter shadows. I wasn't able to purchase all of that. The entire collection was $145 and my pockets are not that deep. So I just purchased a little bundle that they had that consists of the Main Squeeze palette, which looks like this. And this is the inside of the palette. It's very similar to the Juvia's Place Coral palette. And it has 9 shades. And I'm loving these Colourpop palettes that they're coming out with lately because they're very small, compact, and very convenient for travel. And in the bundle, it also came with 2 cream gel liners. And as you know, they recently came out with a bunch of gel liners. And I have 2 of them. One is called Best O, and the other one is called Get Paid. So this is Get Paid, and this is like a gold liner. And Best O is more of a purple champagne type of color. So as you can see from my face, I already did my base. I already did my brows, my foundation, concealer, and I also added this powder under my eyes just in case the shadows have fallout, because I typically like to do my eyes first, but for the sake of the video, I want to go ahead and do an eye look using the products that I purchased from Colourpop. So if you're interested in seeing how I create a look using what I purchased from the Colourpop birthday collection, then keep watching. So I normally use the P. Louise base for my looks, but I'm going to use something from Colourpop. I'm just going to shake it up because I had it sitting for a while. And this is their concealer in Fair 00, which is just a white base. And I'm just going to add that on my eyelids. And I have used this before, so I actually like it. So I want to see how their base works with their eyeshadow. And actually, I'm going to blend that out with my finger. I like blending out my bases with my fingers so that they can be nice and smooth. Today is Thursday, May 23rd. So you'll probably be seeing this video next week, probably Monday, the 27th, which would be Memorial Day. And today, Jaclyn Hill announced her makeup company, Jouer Cosmetics, and I'm really interested in those nude lipsticks that she has coming out. I can't wait to see some of my favorite influencers review her products. I know I'm nowhere on her radar to get PR, but you know, a girl can only wish. Okay, so this is the main squeeze palette again. So I'm going to start with this first shade in the palette called Big Gulp, and I'm going to add that in my transition area, and I'm just going to blend out my concealer because I did go off camera for a few moments. Ooh, that's pigmented. Pretty nice transition shade. So now that that's all blended out in my crease, I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Red Bottoms, and I'm going to add that to the outer and inner portion of my eye.
Are you listening? Damn.
Now I'm going to take this color called Like It's Hot, and I'm just going to add that as a transition between the deep burgundy and then the first shade that I added. And next I'm going to add this gold shade in the palette, which is called Juicy Fruit. And I'm going to add that in the middle where I left that space. And I want to see how it looks before wetting my brush. Doesn't need to be wet at all, but of course I'm going to go ahead and wet it anyway, just for a more intense payoff. This palette is really nice. If you enjoy pinks and peaches and corals, this pigmentation is really nice, and it's $12 for this palette. That's an amazing price for a palette this pigmented. And I'm just going to go back into Red Bottoms and blend that in. Wet my brush with my Mario Badescu spray. So I'm going to try something a little different, and I'm going to use the eggplant gel liner that I received in the bundle, and this is in this shade Best O. And I'm just going to use that to line my lash line. So I'm just going to brush this powder away, pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of my eye. So I finished the rest of my face off camera, and I will be leaving all the products that I used down below in the description bar. Just going to pop on some gloss. So since I used one of the liners that I received on my lower lash line, I'm going to add the other one, which is called Get Paid. And I'm going to add that to my waterline. Let's see how that looks. So that's adding that gel liner on my lash line. And I'm going to add just one more shade. So I'm going to add this shade called Home Slice. And that's the shade up here. Cute, huh? And I feel like I need just a little shimmer in my inner corner, but I have nothing other than the gold and this shade called Maraschino. So in this palette you have the 3 shimmer shades going down the middle. I think that is a clever idea, because you know, sometimes you go into a palette and the shimmer, it is powdery, and the shimmer, if it has some glitter, it gets into the matte shades. So I like that they're all down the middle in one area. So that is the final look using the Colourpop Main Squeeze palette, as well as their 2 gel liners in Best O and Get Paid. I hope that you have all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos, and I will see you in the next video.